Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you are all doing good. It's raining since morning and now my nephew asked me to go outside and I think he want to enjoy the weather. So I just took him out and the plants and trees are looking so fresh. Look at their colors. They are so green and so fresh and they are looking so happy and I'm just loving them. Look at the colors, it's so mesmerizing. And look at the sky, it's still cloudy and we are expecting some more rain. Do take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and also remember me in your prayers too. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khair.